Very good morning. Today start with the good and great thought. I welcome you in the world of exercises and our the most honorable and your thoughtful channel that is connecting your healthy body, healthy mind and super soul, that is Happy World Summer. As you know, this is totally a social services, and one thing just came in my mind today. Just I must say, if you follow the things, just exercises and some of the tips, definitely you will be reaching a good time. First of all, I must tell you, those who are not willing to continue the exercises, one thing they must be bearing in mind that just to use a mobile, we all use mobile, okay, very correct, and at the same time I'll tell you, full day we have been seeing so many applications, your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Facebook, everything, and chatting and talking, everything. You continue the friends, your families, but at the end, whenever evening comes, just we get exhausted with the battery of mobile. So that times mobile gets dead. Don't you feel, my friends, if you throughout the day get yourself exhausted and yourself applying to the society such type of office works, such type of your talking to the families, then seeing the different type of responsibilities get exhausted. So do you feel that I must be also charged? Do you feel? No, I think so. We don't feel to get it charged because we just get exhausted, get in news and get in news. Why? Once, this is just a very good simple just example I'll give you. Just once we take, whenever we go to the office, we take the adapter even because the mobile requires charge. So similarly, our body also requires charge. And friends, I'll tell you how we can charge our body. This is the only support and medium that we can get our body charged by the medium of exercises, that yoga, asanas, then different type of pranayams. Until unless we get our body charged, we are going to get dead very soon, either mentally, physically, or in all the ways. So friends, don't take the whole world, don't take yourself, don't take to the society such type of activities. So I must tell you, should always, daily at least, as we charge our mobile, to get it activated, to get it fully operated, and we must be able to charge ourselves, because if we charge, we can only work and be activated to the world. First of all, to get it charged, I'll tell you, every day, as I have been saying to you, you must continue 10 minutes walking, 10 minutes jogging, then 10 minutes running, because you are getting activated. After that, you must continue with the 4 basic yoga asanas, that is Kapalbhati, Bhastrika, then your Olam Bilam or Nadi Sodhan, and the most your to reaching to the superpower, that is Brahmi. So these 4 type of yoga asanas, pranayams, is to continue, and after this, if you can add for your lifestyle, then you can prevent from your lifestyle diseases, that is diabetes, or that is something your BP, sugar, anything. You must continue with the additional exercises that I'll tell you. Additional exercise definitely will help you, but you should not leave that yoga and asanas, because to build yourself inner world stronger, inner field stronger, inner healthy stronger, then you have to continue with such type of exercises. So I will just give you the demonstration to continue 4 yoga asanas that you can very well continue. To start with this, I'll tell you just I'm putting here the mobile. Today while talking it was very well and I'll tell you can see the rain, you can enjoy in the Lakhimpur ferry. So once I came here, I was thinking to give you some the inner and powerful energy so that you can continue. So yoga asanas everybody knows. All you should start with the Kapalbhati, then your Bhastrika, then your Olam Bilam and Brahmi. So you must continue the 4 exercises. Additional you can do for the sugar, diabetes, that to prevent from the your lifestyle diseases as I have told. So this year I'll tell you yoga asanas how you can continue. First of all, start with the Kapalbhati. Your navel should go inside. Whenever you take inside, you will get full energy and you will breathe out. And breathing in, don't think to breathe in because automatically in the process of your body, you can very well breathe in. And it gives you pure oxygen and fully purify your body. So start with this. I can start. Just 2 or 3 times breathe in and breathe out. Chest must be forward and your backbone must be erect one. Once you keep your backbone erected, then you are going to get, I think, you are going to get your 80% of diseases fully okay. Because if you take erect your backbone, I think you are internally confident. So if you put yourself everything inside, your stamina, your immunity, there is no virus, no flu is going to attack you. It is a very much and a very known subject to us. Whenever we put some water in the glass, then the water does not overflow. Whenever you put the water and pour the water, the time comes, your water gets overflow and goes out. So friends, similarly I'll tell you, if you continue such type of exercises, fill your body with the good immunity, good stamina, no virus will get place. If it comes, then definitely it's going to get wiped out, get exhausted through your pores or through your sweating. So this was about the Kapalbhati. Then I can tell you Bhastrika. Bhastrika, this is also very good exercise. It's a breathe in and breathe out. Fully keeping your backbone erected one and continue. And the hand must be in Gyan Mudra. Gyan Mudra means your 3 fingers should be pointing towards opposite of your body, and this your direction of finger and your thumb. This goes makes a polar. So to polarize the body, I think all these 4 yoga asanas must build you very stronger from inside. Rest all those who go for gymnasium, they can go. Those who play the games, they can also play. And it is good to build the muscular. But if you want to escape from all type of diseases, build the stamina inside your body, this is the only media, this is the only support that you can help yourself. So we have continued both the exercises. The third one is your Olam Bilam, that you can put in this opposite hand with the Gyan Mudra and putting another this, and we'll start with the Agni, that is your right nostril. So I'll tell you this your right hand must be in Gyan Mudra and make your left hand like this, all the 3 fingers center inside and both the finger like this. So it will continue taking the breath in from the right nostril, then the keeping some 3 to 4 seconds and then doing left. Then again taking the left, then keeping something sometimes in your forehead and again doing it. So there are the 2 to 3 processes. You can very well continue like this. Like this. Otherwise, by counting, you can hold it for like this. Just 5 seconds are taken, and you just hold it for 10 seconds. Then again breathe out for the another 15 seconds. So you can continue like this. You can take it for 10 seconds. Hold it for 15 seconds. Then leave it. So like this you can continue your Bhastrika. Then after this, the last but not the least, that exercises I'll tell you for the Olam Bilam. That's reaching your body, your mind and your super soul to the destiny. That's super soul by just chanting Om. So to start with the Om, I'll tell you. Today it's not getting the proper place because outside it's raining. So I thought let's make a good video so that you can get yourself help. So like this. Closing your eyes and just keeping the directional finger with the eyebrows and just like this. Just breathe in, keep the oxygen, you breathe in inside, then breathe out with the Om through your mouth, and vibration will be created in your head. Closing the ears also. Like this you can continue up to 60 seconds, 90 seconds. I'll tell you, I'll brief you because I can't do rest all. That it should come from your belly. It should come from your center position. And it should come through your mouth. That is like this. Because I don't have that much time, the video is taking very short time, because if we can make the longer videos, then definitely it is not getting and reaching to you. So that's why these all were the 4 yogasanas. After that you can go either to prevent from the lifestyle diseases or to add some beautification to your body, mind and health. So thank you very much friends. Just continue all fast walking, then jogging, running and 4 yogasanas and some additional exercises. Definitely this is assurance from me, as I have experienced till now. I think before 20 years past I have not been suffering from any diseases. I have not been suffering from even single fever, because it has come, and how it has gone I don't know. I'll tell you. While coming, diseases may convert you, may reveal to you, may give you a message, yes, I have come. But if you continue such type of exercises, you will not come to know how they have gone now. Really, this is the experience of me. I have faced, I have been experiencing, and totally just reflecting you from within. I think this reflection will help you and get you to the light of exercises and good health, good body and good mind. Thank you very much. Take care. Namaskar.